Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report for the 12th of July 2023, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So right now we have gold prices, they're trading at $1,930 per ounce. There are three bullish headwinds for gold as we transition between now and the end of July and into August. So number one, we have countries around the world racing to repatriate gold at one of the fastest rates in history. Now, alongside that, we have BRICS nations that are scheduled for a summit in the month of August, where we're going to see advanced talks regarding the launch of a gold-backed currency to challenge the reserve status of the US dollar. And furthermore, we have central banks around the world. They are buying and building gold reserves at one of the fastest paces on record. All of this stacks up for the perfect scenario here for a summer rally with the precious metals. And right now, we've been gifted over the last couple of weeks with another retest back down towards the swing lows for the end of quarter profit taking that we saw at the end of June, allowing you to build out positions down towards the swing lows of 1900 on gold. In fact, we retested those levels yet again last week. So again, any moves back down towards those areas of liquidity, you've got a very solid floor right now with gold at 1900, where each time we're retesting that level, we're closing back above it. Buyers, they're swooping in very quickly, and we're seeing the price quickly retrace and break back out of that 1900 level. It's very similar here on platinum as well. Any retest back down towards $900 per ounce or lower, I perceive definitely as another opportunity to stack another trade. It's similar as well on palladium. In fact, just on Monday, we managed to bank just within one day 500 points on palladium, snipering in at $1,190 per ounce. And by the end of the day, we banked 500 points with the price breaking out to $1,240 per ounce. So of course, for every one lot contract you'll be trading, that's $5,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract you'll be trading, that's $50,000 of profit in just one single day. Now, alongside that, we've taken the opportunity to scale out of more profits on oil this week, banking 500 points on Tuesday on Brent crude oil. And alongside that, on the radar for this week is certainly copper, which is back under pressure. If it breaks back down towards the recent swing lows, that's definitely an opportunity I'm looking out for. Alongside silver as well, if we were to retest back down towards the levels tested right at the end of June when we had the end of quarter profit takings. Then finally on Wednesday, we have the CPI data. Historically, this is a catalyst for massive moves on the precious metals. We've seen gold a number of times have up to a 500-point move on CPI data. That's going to be due out on Wednesday at 1:30 London time. You definitely do not want to miss that. There's going to be back-to-back macro-driven opportunities for you to capitalize on commodities over the month of July as we then hit the summer run in August, which you definitely do not want to miss. This comes down to utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. Absolutely ditch those outdated technical analysis strategies. They're not going to give you any sort of an edge in 2023, the age of data. You want to be utilizing and learning the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycles for each commodity. Further align that with the capital flows in the market. You've seen it as soon as we hit the third quarter of the year, as soon as we hit July, lows getting put in for multiple commodities, a slingshot move higher here for gold, for platinum, for crude oil. We've seen all of them start this momentum as we started a new quarter moving into July, the second half of the year for you to capitalize on. Again, learn and understand the key areas of liquidity so you can sniper in, get your entries nice and low, then capitalize on the impulse moves higher, banking at the right time of the cycle. Further align that with the intermarket correlations, the ratios, the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, and then finally, of course, how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're positioned in the market in real time. That is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.